Looking for the best wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver for 4K streaming or filmmaking? We've got you covered. Here's the top 5 best wireless HDMI systems with long range, ultra-low latency, and crystal clear 4K video. Watch the full list to find the perfect one for you. Item number 5. The Axon CineView Master 4K is a cutting-edge tri-band wireless video transmission system supporting 2.4 GHz and 6 GHz frequencies. It delivers true 4K 60 video with just 25 milliseconds latency and an extended 2.5 km transmission range, ideal for filmmaking, live events, and professional broadcasting. Supporting HDMI and SDI inputs/outputs, multiple video streams, and monitoring on up to 5 devices via the Axune C app, it ensures real-time precision and stable performance. Powered by DC or NPF batteries, featuring an 8K processor and a full-color LCD display, CineView Master 4K pushes the limits of wireless video technology for ultimate creative freedom. Item number 4. The Axone CineView HE is a high-performance dual-band wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver supporting 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz transmission. It delivers ultra-low latency of less than 0.06 seconds and a long-range transmission up to 1,200 feet, 350 meters, perfect for filmmaking, live streaming, and professional broadcasts. The system features HDMI input and loop-out, USB video class, UVC output for direct streaming, and can connect one transmitter to 4 receiving devices simultaneously. Powered by DC, NPF, or USB-C, with a 1.3-inch OLED screen and aerospace-grade aluminum construction, CineView HE ensures stable, high-quality FHD video and audio in a compact, portable design. Item number 3. The Exune CineView 2 SDI is a high-performance wireless HDMI and SDI transmitter and receiver designed for professional filming and live streaming. Featuring dual-band 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz transmission, it delivers a stable connection over long distances up to 1,500 feet per 450 meters with extremely low latency under 50 milliseconds. It supports HDMI SDI input and output, HDMI loop-through, and UVC live streaming, allowing easy connection to computers and streaming platforms. One transmitter can send video to up to 4 devices, including iOS and Android. With no fan design, efficient heat dissipation, and aircraft-grade aluminum construction, CineView 2 SDI ensures high-quality, reliable wireless video transmission for professional productions. Item number 2. The Cucin's wireless HDMI extender lets you enjoy high-quality audio and video on a large screen without messy cables. Supporting Full HD 1080p at 60 Hz and 4K at 30 Hz, it transmits signals up to 200 meters in open space via one-to-one mode. No drivers, Wi-Fi, or internet are needed. Plug-and-play setup makes it simple for any home or office. Compatible with most HDMI devices including DVD players, DVRs, set-top boxes, HD cameras, notebooks, and gaming consoles, it works seamlessly with HD TVs, projectors, and monitors. Enjoy efficient, hassle-free, and eye-friendly wireless video anywhere. Item number 1. The Hollyland Cosmo C1 is a professional wireless HDMI and SDI transmitter and receiver designed for live broadcasting, indie filmmaking, sports, and weddings. Supporting SDI HDMI input and 2 SDI plus 1 HDMI output, it delivers ultra-low latency of just 40 milliseconds over a line-of-sight range of up to 1,000 feet. Operating on 5.1 to 5.8 GHz with H.265 high-efficiency video coding, it ensures stable, interference-free transmission. Auto-frequency hopping and channel scan prevent flickering or black screens. Embedded UVC output allows direct streaming to computers via USB-C, supporting up to 1080p 6050 video format. Which of these wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.